Hi everyone, welcome to by Dabilo. Today I'll be showing you how to make ginger jelly macarons using the Just ginger beer. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. The ingredients and tools you're going to need for this recipe are Just ginger beer, almond flour, icing sugar, water, egg whites, ginger powder, custard sugar, gelatin powder, buttercream icing, a spatula, a spoon, a sift, a piping tip, and a piping bag, and baking trays. The first thing you're going to do is pour your water into a jar. Add the gelatin powder to bloom. Take the mixture to the microwave for 30-second bursts and take it out. Then mix. Pour the Just ginger beer to the mixture and stir as you pour your ginger beer. Take the sift and pour your mixture through it. You do this to avoid big lumps of gelatin going into your jelly. Put it in the fridge for about 4 hours or until it's set. Now whip your egg whites and add your custard sugar slowly. You're aiming for the egg whites to come to a nice stiff peak. Add the ginger powder to the almond flour. Then the icing sugar to the almond flour and mix thoroughly. Sift the dry ingredients into the egg whites in thirds. Fold them together carefully. Continue folding until the mixture resembles pancake batter. Now pour the mixture into your prepared piping bag and start piping little mounds onto your tray. Bang your tray against the counter to release the air bubbles and bake for 15 to 17 minutes. Now cut your jelly using a piping tip. When your macarons are cool completely, match them up. Place your jelly in the center, use your buttercream as a border and sandwich them together. These are ready to enjoy with a cup of Gemere or any beverage of your choice. By the way, these get better with time, so you might want to set a few aside to make sure. Until next time, bye!